Hey gang, welcome back to Inverted Pursuits Laboratory, and it's that time again. We're going out to KLOUDBusters for the October Fun Fly. This is a 2-day fly, Saturday and Sunday. So just getting ready to leave, gonna head over and pick up my fiance, and then we're gonna hit the road and head to Argonia, Kansas. So for me, this is actually an exciting launch. So I've got quite a load here in the old blue minivan that I'm driving, but the cool part about what I've got is that I've got rocket kits that I've been working on, and I'm gonna have those for sale at the launch, which is both awesome and absolutely nerve-wracking. It's my first time trying to sell a product, so this is going live to the KLOUDBusters group, and I'm very excited to see what people have to say about the products I brought. I'm also bringing pretty much an entire fleet of 3D printed rockets, my current prototypes in the works, things I hope to sell in the future. And those rockets are going to be there for people to view, see, give their opinions on, and I'm going to take a lot of that feedback and hopefully use it in my work moving forward. But without further ado, let's hit the road. Ready, Chris? Put you up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get it.
There we go. Bill, no. Okay. Save it. Man, that was
Flying his Star Cruiser, which is a Mach 1 rocketry kit. Weighs 2.5 pounds, flying on an I-195 flat motor. So, Lucas, if you're ready, we'll put you up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Voice and from Harrisville, Missouri, flying a rocket called Chimera. Manufacturer's IPL. Innovative
Inverted Pursuits
Laboratory, I think. Yeah, he's got a nice presence online. Weighs just under a pound and flying on an E12. So we'll put up Jonathan's rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cool. Better than last time.
So much better.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beautiful.
Same rocket, same motor. Double inserted them. We'll put up
At least they're consistent.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Flying a rocket called Dark Knight.
Nice.
Again, it's a scratch build. 1 3/4 pound rocket on Aerotech H100 white light.
Just win.
So Haley, you ready? Jump in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, launch. The Mean Machine. 1.9 pound rocket on H100. Put you up in 5, 4, 3,
Not actually a machine.
1, get. Aerotech H100 white light. Put up Logan's rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Anna Hart. Let's call her Anna from Ellsworth, Kansas. Flying a rocket called Ad Asper for Asper. Scratch build 1.9 pound rocket. Aerotech H100. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yeah. And moving to the right of that, we have Roger Davis. This is another level 2 cert attempt. Roger's from Harper, Kansas, flying a bullpup PML kit, weighs 2.8 pounds.
Ready up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Flying a rocket called Franken Frenzy. Mad Cow kit weighs 8.6 pounds, flying on I-366 red light. And it's got altimeter on board with main deployment at 700 feet. Rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boyson, Harrisonville, Missouri. This rocket is called Macy. It's an inverted pursuits lab. About a third of a pound on a C63. And we're going to launch him in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cool.
3 going in 5, 4, 3, Harrisonville, Missouri. Scratch-built rocket calls it a Viper 2. This is on an H-195. It's a really cool printed fin can on that one. And we're going to launch him in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Yeah. Oh dear Lord.
Oh, she's overhead. Event. Shoot.
Very good. Good.
Okay, cool.
There is a shoot. Well, this is definitely a first for me. So, kid over here in blue shirt, not that we can actually see him, bought one of my kits yesterday, and it's right out there on the pad.
Macy kit.
Yeah, the Macy kit, bright orange. And so I'm super excited to watch this go because he actually built it last night.
On pad 11, we've got Isaac Klossmeyer from Wichita, Kansas. Rocket he calls Macy. This is going to fly on a C63. Isaac up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Yeah, the motor spit out. Man, it likes pitching motors.
Oh, we got it.
Now that was a close return.
Right next to home base. Yeah. It worked great. It did spit the motor though.
That was awesome. Yeah, the motor is, it's over here somewhere.
That's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boyson's rocket on pad 13 from Harrisonville, Missouri. It's an inverted pursuits lab, Little Nick. It's going to go up on him. We got a plane?
Yeah, he's way over there.
I don't think we're going to go that high. He's going to fly on an A83, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I have no idea. We got it though. It did not want to pressurize. But he got it.
That's overhead.
Event.
Event.
Looks like a good deploy.
We've got John Boyson from Harrisonville, Missouri. He's flying an inverted pursuits lab Fire Drake, and this is going to go on an E12. He is wanting a heads-up flight, everybody. This will be the first flight on this. So if everybody's ready, we're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that really
That went a lot better than I expected.
same.
3,
2, and we mess with him a little. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Yeah, that went up.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Ooh, he's going up there.
All right, with much more confidence, I'll hit the button again. Eric on his Explorer 6, F44 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
There we go.
Yeah, that went somewhere. There it is.
It's open. Cool flight, Eric.
All right, gang, thanks for joining us today out at KLOUDBusters. It's been a great weekend of flying. I guess we should probably take our sunglasses off. I really enjoyed chatting with all you guys that were out here this weekend. Sold a couple of rockets and got some great suggestions on other rockets for moving forward with some of our 3D printing designs. And look forward to seeing you all next month.